Welcome to Nature Explorers Anguilla's first virtual birdwatching tour. We know you can't come to us right now to enjoy our amazing birds and their habitats, so we are bringing a small piece of them to you. In this episode, we take you to Long Pond Important Bird Area to highlight the amazing characters that are here at this time of year. Many of our migratory species, like shorebirds and warblers, have already moved north to their breeding grounds, although small numbers remain. Meanwhile, the urge to breed has brought other species to our shores. Seabirds like terns and gulls are lured to Anguilla's salt ponds and offshore cays to begin their breeding season. Its proximity to Long Pond Bay, a source of fresh fish, is one of the main reasons seabirds choose this wetland for breeding. Least terns arrive in late March and begin their search for a suitable mate. Preening is a very important part of preparation for that first date. The deal is sealed with the presentation of a fish by the male. While some birds take their time courting, others are quick to mate and choose a nest site. With her loyal mate standing guard, what could go wrong? Predators that lurk in the bush, including feral cats and aerial predators such as this resident American kestrel, always concern these small ground nesting species. Today, just 100 feet away, these laughing gulls lie in wait for a golden opportunity. With the precision of a World War II flying ace, the gull swoops in and retrieves the egg from the nest. The adults pursue, but all is lost this time around. Another March arrival is the eastern willet. This member of the Tringa family spends up to 3 weeks in courting displays prior to mating. On this day, two pairs are seen chasing each other and scouting out nest sites in the bush. In the center of the tern colony, 3 pairs of resident Wilson's plovers are getting around to their own nesting season. The male is responsible for building the nest scrape, which the female will inspect and modify. There is no question who is in charge here. Despite the female moving off, the male approaches his mate with determination. At first, she seems uninterested in his advances. Today, however, we're in for a special treat as we're able to observe the mating ritual between this pair. Over my many years of bird watching and guiding in Anguilla, I've seen a lot of species breed, nest, and raise their young. But this is a first even for me. On the other side of the pond, a pair of royal terns have also turned their thoughts to the mating ritual. Although they nest on offshore cays like Scrub Island, they often choose to mate on Long Pond. As we end an exciting visit to Long Pond IBA, we stop to appreciate the relaxing sight of one of our resident snowy egrets fishing. We look forward to sharing more of Anguilla's birds with you in the coming weeks. In the meantime, stay well and know that we miss you here in Anguilla and look forward to your return. Thanks for joining us today and have a great day.